Artur Sokołowski, Stalbat Company Production Manager. Our company is engaged in general constructions, and one of our branches is the production of our own steel structures. We do this for about 5 years. Our boss's friend had bought a plasma cutting machine from Michał, and this is how we found out about his offer. Before the purchase, we had cut out sheet metal workpieces manually, which consumed more work in hours and required an increased number of workers. The time of completing our constructions has notably increased. Now the machine does everything and it is faster. The contact with the seller is excellent after the purchase. Once we needed help with adjusting machine parameters. Therefore, we contacted Michał's technician and he helped us very quickly and swiftly via phone. It does very well. In the future, when our company expands, we plan to buy more machines from Michał with no doubt. The cooperation is perfect. There is nothing to complain about. If someone is thinking about buying a plasma table like this, I would highly recommend it.